Hey there. So I want to talk about this program that I'm on. I started this program a couple of months ago. And let me tell you, I didn't know how messed up we all are. We all are messed up mentally. The way we think. I'm now using my mind in such a way that I've never done before. And I'm thinking to myself, everyone around us is truly messed up mentally because we don't tap into the conscious mind. We use the subconscious mind that is programmed. That subconscious mind is programmed to do the same things over and over. And that is why we don't get any results. We get the same results. So if you want to change your life, if you want to be more successful in your business, in your job, if you have dreams to travel the world first class, take your family to earn so much money, then we really have to change the way we think. Our daily routines, the things that we do, the things that we say, we've got to change that. You know, this overnight millionaire mind hack system by Wesley Virgin, it's phenomenal. And he is so full of energy that you listen when he speaks. He has a wealth of knowledge, and he has put all of that knowledge in this program. My life has changed so much as I think back. We think about the past hurts and pain, and all that does is make us feel as if it has just happened. Whenever we talk about what happened in the past, who hurts us, the mind doesn't know that that happened a year ago. The mind thinks it's just happening. And so we feel hurt all over again. We're messed up people. If we don't change the way we think, if we don't change our habits, if we don't form new habits and daily rituals, we will see the same results. And that's what Wesley Virgin talks about in this program. Let me tell you, it's the best $37 I've ever spent. This program is $37. These are audio programs. And you listen to them over and over, not one time. And it start to reprogram the way you think. Your outlook on life. It doesn't matter how successful you are in your business. You can grow more. There is room for growth. And let me tell you, man, until you change the way you think, you will not go further. You will not go further. I wanted to change my life at the end of 2019. I wanted to change the way it was going in my business and in my personal life. And I said that there has to be better for me. I know I deserve better. And I'm a very confident woman. But until I started the program, I wasn't doing anything the right way. You know, we look at the circumstances on the external, and we think that everything that is happening on the outside determines our future, but it doesn't. I didn't know that I have so much power within me, and we have a lot of power within us, you know. We are the creators of whatever our life turns out to be. You can choose to be happy, you can choose to be sad. This mind hack system, this overnight millionaire mind hack system, teaches us that we can create just what it is that we desire. You desire the man of your dreams. You desire more money to make more money. You desire whatever it is that you desire. This is what this mind hack system teaches us. And I am telling you, there's a wealth of knowledge in this about the mind, about the way we think, how messed up we are right now, and how we have to change the way that we think. Let me tell you, it's $37, guys. It's the best $37 you will ever invest in yourself. I guarantee you. The Overnight Millionaire Mind Hack System, there's none other out there. If you too want to see changes in your life, if you too want to see changes in your business to improve your business, in your love life with your family members, invest in the Overnight Millionaire Mind Hack. And you will truly see a change in your life. I've seen my life change in so many different areas that it is too much to even mention. But I will leave a link below, and you can check it out for yourself and change your life. It's time we all change the way we think. So check out the links and take care.